This is the story of P.T. Barnum, America's famous showman. In 1836, Barnum came to Annapolis, Maryland, with a circus. One morning, wearing a new black suit, people started following him. Someone shouted, "That's Reverend Ephraim K. Avery, a man thought guilty of murder." The crowd almost lynched him. Barnum had to convince them to come to the circus to prove his identity. There, his boss, Turner, revealed it was all a joke, just to get publicity. The result? Everyone was talking about it, and the circus was packed every night. Barnum learned a lesson he never forgot. Later, Barnum opened the American Museum. One day, a beggar approached him. Instead of giving money, Barnum gave him a job. He had to carry bricks around the block, laying them down slowly, keeping a serious face and answering no questions. Then he returned the bricks, walked through the museum, and repeated the circuit. Barnum knew curiosity keeps people engaged. And that's how P.T. Barnum mastered the art of attracting crowds: curiosity, creativity, and a little clever trickery. Thanks for watching.